me Joffel from Joffel's Law. Welcome back to my channel. We know our earth is very precious. We are very grateful to live in our planet Earth. The earth takes good care of us. We should take a good care of our earth.
All over the world, they are celebrating Earth Day on April 22nd.
Why we are celebrating Earth Day? Because we have to respect to our Mother Earth.
From 1970, we are celebrating the Earth Day on every year.
In this year 2021, the theme of the Earth Day is Restore Our Earth. In this video, we are going to see the poem of the Restore Our Earth.
Let's see it. Let's begin our video.
Restore our earth. Receive in fullness the fruits of the earth. Eat for environment. Keep it clean. Save the trees. Don't cut them down. Travel responsibility. Walk or cycle when you can. Our earth is a happy place. Let's make it the best place. Recycle what you use. Read the Living Planet report. Earth is the only planet in this universe. Our earth is precious. Volunteer for it. Use your voice. Create awareness. Reduce the use of water. Conserve rainwater. Educate everyone on natural resources. A necessary, not a luxury. Restore our earth. Reduce, rethink and restore me, for I am your Mother Earth. Trees provide food and oxygen, helps climate change and they clean the air. Hope you like this Earth Day poem about Restore Our Earth. You can also use this poem in your Earth Day school activity.
You can also try it. If you like this video, you need to click like, share and subscribe to click our bell button to see our next video. I will meet you soon for our interesting videos. Bye-bye.